And do you have any questions? Yes, Kevin.
How does this relate to Maharishi's concept of the absolute number?
We have not thought of that yet. This should be, we've got some people from our study group here. Please add this to the list. We really should be thinking about that. Because Maharishi gives us a very detailed account of the absolute number in Maharishi's Absolute Theory of Defense. And so we have the knowledge about absolute number, so we should do that. That could be our next project. Or anybody. I mean, you can work on it. It's the absolute number. What does the absolute number mean? We have an audience member who wants to answer it. I have read so many things about it, but I just don't understand. What can I say? Paul, you wanted to say something about it? Or were you asking another question? You're asking the next question. Okay, so the closest I can come to of a description is that if you say 1 or 2 or 3, it's as if disconnected from pure consciousness. In the same way that that plant on the table is disconnected from consciousness for somebody that's not in unity consciousness. You don't see the connection. You know, you may have an intellectual connection, which I do. I understand that Sarvam Kalvidam Brahm, everything is Brahm, so, and I'm Brahm, so that must be the same as me. That must be connected to the absolute, but it's not a living experience. And I think the idea with the absolute number is that that connection is lively. And when that connection is lively and you use mathematics, you won't make theories or decisions or conclusions that are not life supporting. We see every day that people can use numbers to create negative things. You know, the atomic bomb used a lot of mathematics. Somebody that wants to cheat you can play around with numbers and get an extra $10 out of you when you're buying something. Or, you know, there's all these things. We don't really need to go into them. There's all these things that you can do with numbers that have a negative impact. So with the absolute number, my understanding is that wouldn't happen. It won't, if you use absolute numbers instead of these disconnected numbers, it would always be, the results would always be life supporting. A very nice question. Thank you. You challenged me on that one.